Hello and welcome. Today we're exploring the Lean Principles, a transformative approach to business processes that focuses on maximising value by minimising waste. Originally developed for manufacturing, Lean Principles are now applied across various industries to enhance efficiency and quality. Lean is built around 5 key principles, each designed to ensure that every aspect of production is optimised to meet customer demands without excess. First, we have identify value. This step involves understanding what value means to your customers and focusing on your processes to deliver that value. It's about knowing what your customers are willing to pay for. Next is map the value stream. Here you chart all the steps in your process and identify which ones add value and which ones do not. The goal is to highlight and eliminate or reduce waste, any steps that consume resources without adding value. Moving to create flow. Once waste is removed, the steps necessary to produce a product or deliver a service should flow smoothly with little to no interruptions. This principle aims to ensure that your operations are as streamlined as possible. Fourth, we have establish pull. Pull systems ensure that products are created only in response to demand, preventing overproduction, one of the key wastes in Lean. This approach is about making just what is needed when it's needed and in the amounts needed. Lastly, seek perfection. Lean is an ongoing process of continuous improvement. The aim is to keep refining and improving every step of your process, striving for perfection where possible. Implementing Lean principles isn't just about cutting costs or improving efficiency, it's a philosophy that changes how you think about production, value, and growth. It requires commitment at every level of the organisation and a culture that embraces change. In conclusion, adopting Lean principles can dramatically transform your organisation by eliminating waste, improving product quality, and ultimately increasing customer satisfaction. It's about doing more with less and doing it better. Thank you for joining us today. As you consider integrating Lean into your operations, remember that its principles are adaptable to various settings beyond manufacturing. For more insights and concepts from the team here at LearnerBubble, visit our website at learnerbubble.com. Goodbye.